In the previous videos, we were using Browser.sandbox and Browser.element so that we could pick a specific DOM node in our HTML document and attach Elm to that node. For single page applications, we want control over the entire page, including things like the tab title. So in this section, I'm going to introduce you to the next step in the Elm learning journey, which is using Browser.document to get control of an entire page. So let's take a look at that together. Make myself tiny. This is kind of where we left off with Browser.element, where we're able to use flags, we're able to send commands, do all sorts of things. So this was our counter that we made before, where we can increment that counter, and then as we increment it, it is saving to local storage. So on refresh, we still get that value. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way to the bottom here, and I'm going to upgrade from browser element to browser.document. Browser.document is a function that's also available in the browser package, and it's going to allow us to redefine view so that it can control more than just the HTML that's going to render in the body. So here I have my tab title, and then instead of providing a single HTML element, I get to provide a list of elements that I want to show up in the body of my document. So when I save this here, what we'll see is the app still looks the same, but I'll be able to specify more than just that first div. I can add a section, and you'll see that it's added directly over here underneath or inside the body tag. This div that you're seeing after section is from the Elm debugger. So if we want, we can actually just disable that for now. We can say mode, standard, and that'll get rid of the Elm debugger and give us a more accurate reflection of what's happening in production when we're not using that special debugger element. So the big change was using browser.document. What you'll notice is in the top over here, I've got this tab title. Might be a little bit small, a little hard to see, but if you take a look, I can do question marks across the board. And when I save this, you're going to see that the tab title up here has become all question marks. So from Elm, we'll be able to define what tab title we want, and we can even make it based on the model. So if we want, we could take the count and we can have the tab title update as we increment our counter. So up here, you see count equals 30. And as I hit plus, not only are we updating the body of our document, but we're also updating that tab title. So that is all thanks to browser.document. The other important thing to note is that our main JS file specified a node to mount to. When we're using browser.document, we don't need to specify that node anymore. It's automatically going to attach to the body node for that document. So that's it. That is browser.document. In the next section, we're going to take a look at kind of organizing a file structure, and then we're going to take a look at browser.application. So thanks for watching.